In the video, let's see some funny and epic moments in fishing. They never thought that they could catch a fish in the flood.
Catch anything yet, Dad?
Now this is the most beautiful fish in the world. What you think, let me know in the comments section. This man released the fish in the water, but fish attacked the man. Fish had taken the revenge.
Oh fuck! Oh my god, he just jumped back in the fucking...
This man was tired of small baits, so he used Gant bait. Now this is one of the epic moments in the internet. Why catching the swordfish? They wouldn't believe that fish jump on the boat. Now this didn't expected he would catch a big shark.
The beast was stronger than I thought. Battle on for all of 40 minutes. Get out of the water! Get eaten alive! Turns out it was a massive tiger shark, over 13 feet long. So we gotta get this beast back in the water immediately. Goodbye.
Now this squid directly attacked the fisherman face with ink.
Brew pulled a little too hard.
I did.
He's still alive.
And he caught one. That's insane. That's funny.
This man now, what will he do? You will be shocked at the end. When he caught a fish, instead of releasing the fish, but he kept the fish on the boat engine and moved aside, and, after waiting for a few seconds, then a big eagle came and grabbed the fish. It looks so amazing. This man never thought he'd catch a monster fish. He came Africa to catch this fish. After searching for best fishing spot, he casted the bait and later he got the fish. After a lot of struggle, it's a monster tiger fish.